To open a Robinhood derivatives account, start by downloading the Robinhood app or visiting their website. Once you have the app or are on the website, click on the Sign Up button to create an account. You will need to provide some personal information, including your name, email address, and phone number. Next, you will need to verify your identity by providing a valid government-issued ID, such as a driver's license or passport, and your social security number. This is a standard process to ensure compliance with financial regulations. After verifying your identity, you will need to fund your account. You can do this by linking a bank account or using other payment methods accepted by Robinhood. Make sure to review the fees associated with each payment method before choosing one. Once your account is funded, you can apply for a derivatives account. To do this, go to the account settings and select the option to enable derivatives trading. You will need to acknowledge that you understand the risks associated with derivatives trading and agree to the terms and conditions. Robinhood will then review your application and may ask for additional information to verify your suitability for derivatives trading. This is to ensure that you understand the risks and are eligible to trade derivatives. After your application is approved, you can start trading derivatives on the Robinhood platform. It is essential to educate yourself on the basics of derivatives trading and the risks involved. Before you start, some key concepts to understand include calls, puts, and options spreads. A call option gives you the right to buy an asset at a specified price, while a put option gives you the right to sell an asset at a specified price. An options spread involves buying and selling options with different strike prices or expiration dates. Best practices for derivatives trading on Robinhood include starting with small positions, setting stop-loss orders, and continuously monitoring your trades. It is also crucial to have a solid understanding of the markets and the assets you are trading. In conclusion, opening a Robinhood derivatives account is a straightforward process that requires verifying your identity, funding your account, and applying for a derivatives account. By following these steps and educating yourself on the basics of derivatives trading, you can start trading derivatives on the Robinhood platform.